I'm Cody Rice. I work for Hall Mechanical Services as a mechanical foreman. Today we're at the Waterfront project in Squamish. Well, we have the full mechanical scope, so we're doing the plumbing, heating, and gas. We have refrigeration, we have HVAC, controls, insulation, and fire stop.
I'm Stu Tires, operations manager for Hall Mechanical. It's an Axiom Builders project out here in Squamish. It's a 2 6-story wood frame build with massive parkade underneath it. So Axiom has been just a great client to work for as far as developing a relationship with them and kind of building on that. As far as structure and coordination and organization, their schedules are on point. They're able to work with us and help with us.
So the guys are doing the domestic water rough-in, so all of the water line stub-outs for your kitchen sinks, your bathroom sinks, your toilets, the return hot water line that goes back to the mechanical room, installing all the bathtubs and showers, doing all the testing for all the drainage. We got a bunch of good guys, we got an awesome crew, some good leadership here, so it's actually going really well. Quality is the utmost importance. It's to not only provide a high quality finish to the client, but also it projects positively on Hall. Sort of grinds into our guys that quality is a big thing and they should take pride in their work, and that we don't really accept anything less.
We want to make sure that we're giving the client the best product that they could ask for, right? At the end of the day, they are paying us to deliver something, to a high standard, and we want to make sure that they're happy with it. So we go over and above to make sure that we're doing everything to give them that.
With the guys we have in place, there's just no room for failure. They can shoot for the stars. I mean, they could be one of the biggest mechanical companies in the next 10 years.